Hey, welcome to the Street Sense group chat.
We post daily videos to help make money stuff make sense.
I need a favor.
From who? Me?
Okay.
Both of you.
Okay.
I need both of you to remain calm as I view this information.
I have anxiety.
I've never been calm in my life.
Okay, well,
That's
we're
true.
gonna be taking a closer look at some of the most hyped products that we just had to check out.
Yay.
Okay, you can be a little excited.
Yeah.
Just don't let the hype fool you.
That is true. Hype can do that, so it's good to do some digging before you buy certain products.
I'm not gonna lie, I've fallen victim to that lesson a few times.
Yes, for sure. So the first one we're gonna talk about is this car cleaning slime goo gel that I found.
Slimy Google.
Yeah.
Sounds French.
Okay, watch this.
It's finally here. I've been seeing this pink car cleaning slime on a bunch of holiday gift lists. Is it any good? Let's put it to the test.
Oh, I don't like the smell.
It's supposed to clean dust in your car and from other surfaces. I tried it on my very dusty speaker.
Wow, that was impressive.
I'd say it worked. Then I used it on my keyboard. It worked okay, just didn't get right to the bottom of the keys.
Let's go test the car.
Surface level was pretty good, but again, I couldn't get all the way down to the bottom. How about my mini fridge? I think because it's a flat surface, this worked really well. For my final test, I spilled some glitter on my coffee table. It did work, but required some elbow grease. So after 5 uses, it's looking a little cloudy. It's basically got a full head of hair at this point. Now, they claim it's reusable, but that's only until it no longer grabs stuff. Once it's all gunked up, you just have to throw it away. I'd say the dust removal part works fine while it's still sticky, but I wouldn't use it to replace a proper cleaning. But you know what? I can see the appeal. It's a fun cleaning gadget that reminds me of slime. I just don't think I'd buy it again. Have you tried this?
So it's reusable until it's not.
Yeah, I don't think this one is worth the hype at all. You can't clean it and you just saw how filthy it gets.
Yeah, from a practical standpoint, I feel like, is it not just easier to use a damp cloth for most of those cleaning jobs?
Yeah,
Right?
I mean, except for maybe my keyboard, but besides that, I feel like slime is just not that useful for anything other than having fun.
Yeah, and sometimes it be that way and you just get caught with a gimmick.
Fun is fun.
That is true.
A product that is not that useful but super fun.
Or super cute.
Huh.
I got this mini washing machine. I saw it for washing makeup sponges online and I had to try it.
Yes, this actually is super cute, so I get it.
Roll it. I got myself a mini washing machine after seeing this creator try one. I love her. Cry. Aww. This one also has like a makeup sponge on the package.
Oh no.
Battery's not included. So I'm gonna be taking one of my very well used sponges and cutting it in half lengthwise so we can compare results. Let's see how nasty these are. Dang. It's full. I put exactly 1 drop of Dawn dish soap. All the way in. Get in there, man. You're going for a bath. Here we go. Doesn't appear to be spinning very well. Barely moving. I'm gonna try and like shove it in there. Get in there. And then that appears to be better. Okay, now we're talking. While that runs its full cycle, I am going to take the other half and clean it in my usual way in a bowl with warm water and 1 drop of the same Dawn dish soap. Pretty good. Okay, so the machine is done. Definitely got something out, but it doesn't really look clean, so let's drain and compare. I mean, comparatively, this one has more water in it, but not too shabby, right? Let's test them side by side. Yeah, okay. I think it's pretty clear. I mean, it's miniature and it's fun. Calling it an appliance is generous, but it's cute and I had a great time. What do I do with it?
It was $15 and you used it once?
I know. Hopefully us buying it and testing it out and showing that it didn't work will help someone not buy it.
Yes, exactly. You took them for the team. You went through that. Now
Yeah.
someone else don't have to go through that.
Fingers crossed.
Exactly.
Yeah, I still think it's really cute, but maybe for like a dollhouse.
Yeah.
Something like that.
I wonder if people still have doll houses.
I mean, I hope so, because where else would their dolls live?
The doll condos.
Doll condo in Sweet Washer. Great deal. You're up next.
Yes, I am.
What did you hype check?
I hype checked the PlayStation VR 2 or the PSVR 2.
PS VR 2. Sounds futuristic.
It is, except the future is now. I tried the new PlayStation VR 2 and it was dope, but is it worth it? The gameplay was smooth, there was no lag, the headset felt great. I didn't love the cord though. I thought I was gonna trip at one point. And the calibration is really personalized, so it did take a minute to get right before playing. My fear of heights right now is very real. The price tag is $749 and you have to have a PS5. Add that to the price of games and this is not cheap. Have you already invested in VR? I guess if you're a hardcore gamer with the money, time, and physical space, this could be worth it. Sorry. Because the eye tracking, vibrations, and the 360 view really did make this totally immersive. I feel like I should have worn shorts. Like, I'm like hot. I was much more athletic in the PlayStation. And having a totally immersive escape for yourself could be priceless. It could be our future reality, but without a price drop, it's hard to see it taking over. Plus, let's be real. It's a lot more in your face than scrolling on your phone or watching TV. So have you tried the PSVR 2 yet?
That was...
Okay, time out. Sorry. May I? I have to address something in the comment section.
Tell us.
A bunch of people said that I was wearing the headset wrong.
I didn't notice anything.
Looks good to me.
That's because there's nothing to notice because I wasn't. I don't.
Okay, but one comment pointing it out, maybe a mistake. 2 comments? I don't know.
Yeah, I've seen 2 people be wrong in the comment section before. However, I was at the Sony showroom and the Sony guy put the Sony thing on my face skin.
Okay,
So
I believe you, but for the sake of argument, let's just pull up a picture of what you looked like in a
I
headset.
look
And can we
fantastic.
see a photo of what it's supposed to look like?
Okay.
Looks good. It's from the official PlayStation unboxing video, but as you can see, I don't notice what's wrong.
Honestly, it looks like just 2 different headphones to me.
Yeah,
Exactly.
same. Maybe that's where the confusion came from.
Guess so.
Anyway, was it worth the hype?
I mean, if you really like VR, then yes. I don't, so I wouldn't buy it, but I can see the appeal.
I feel like I would get motion sickness from
Exactly.
it. Like my tummy is just turning.
Same.
Exactly. Your
Thinking
boy
about
gets
it.
dizzy, so I'm not trying to spend a lot of money on that.
And if you're not dizzy from listening to us,
You can continue.
you could keep listening to us on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram.
Exactly.
Check it out.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.